The hooter. Right, ready?
Right, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today is something very special. We have got an S2 Exige. Before we go out, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone, I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone, my family call, I've been doing it wrong, and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel, I've been out here trying to kill everything I know, everything I'm working on.
What's going on everyone? So we're back in the car with James.
What's happening, everyone?
When we last see you in the 350 video, I think.
350 GT, yeah.
But today we're in something a bit quicker than that. A turbo, no, not turbocharged, supercharged. Lotus Exige S2.
This is the 240 model with 260 upgrades, ECU injectors. It's also got an upgraded intercooler, manifold pack. This thing is an absolute peach. It sounds an absolute weapon, goes like one. That's why I was really excited. This is.
It looks like it does. Oh man, it looks so good as well. And over the last Exige video, things you notice is you get a little bit more luxury with this one.
Yeah.
Like a radio.
Yeah. We got a radio. We got
electric
windows. We got air conditioning.
Aircon.
Yeah. Touches of leather in here as well. Compared to the Series 1 Exige, it's definitely a little bit more frightening. This has been freshly detailed as well, by myself and Shine Auto, but it's worth getting it dirty today, but we're going to have to wash it again. The customer that owns this car has kindly let us use this car for video purposes, hooning purposes.
There's some nice little pops and bangs as well. Mate, I bet this is demented round the track.
It's got to be in it. It's on Nankang NS2s as well.
It proper pulls you back, you see.
It revs so high, I mean, I don't even know I haven't even hit the limiter yet, but it was approaching 9,000 RPM. Let's carry on. It's the whiny boy.
Oh mate, the noise, that is incredible. Why do we have turbochargers? Let's put superchargers in everything.
Supercharged is the way forward, man. That instant response. You know, 260 horsepower. You know, with an instant response engine. You know, with help from that supercharger, it just absolutely just goes. It's mounted to a 6-speed box. This engine as well. I believe it's a 1.8 Toyota VVTi lump.
Yeah.
I imagine it's been played with supercharger strapped to it. It's like £3 worth of intercooler kit as well. That alone has got built Bilstein, fully adjustable coilovers, AP Racing brakes.
Yeah, saw them.
So I believe those are factory upgrades that were already on the car when the owner bought it.
Oh mate, I shouldn't have done that. I looked down at the camera as we were accelerating. Well, that's not a very nice experience. I felt my stomach come up into my throat. Mate, this is quality. Oh man. Oh, this is a pretty special car, this. Why would you need a Lambo when you can buy one of these?
Yeah, that's exactly what the owner said as well. He's like, if I had a choice between a Lambo or one of these, I was like, let me say it for you, mate. This car all day long.
Exactly. It's big grips.
Goes right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Out of all the cars, what do you reckon? Like, how do you rate this?
How do I rate this? That's a good question to end on. I like that, mate. This, I'll be honest, I think, sitting as a passenger, this defines what I think I love as a car enthusiast. Everything about this, the noise, the speed, the way it handles.
Definitely delivery of it, the driving position.
This
is
is
a proper driver's car,
This is
isn't
a
it?
pure outright
If you don't give a shit about cup holders, unless,
yeah, I mean
unless we got one in
as
here.
cup holders go, that is pretty
We need
impressive.
that.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive. But
Anything else,
I
mate?
mean,
if you're out
yeah,
to enjoy
like-
driving, these are the cars.
like, it's even radio, and it's comfortable. It's actually a lot more comfortable than the Elise and the S1.
Yeah. The Exige just got
Yeah.
slightly better comfort. It's got a bit more padding than the Exige S1, but yeah, this is. I'd say this is sort of like in between.
Yeah, nice one, James.
Pleasure,
Thanks very
brother.
much. Right, we will catch you on the next video.
Yeah, definitely. See you all.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going